more people use Facebook than any other social media platform. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get all the ideas you could ever want for Facebook marketing, advertising for your Amazon business. All right, last one. How to spy on your competitors' Facebook ads. Now, how's the tennis going? Anybody watching the tennis? Let's just get the quick tennis score, please. And let's do. So we've got Nick Kyrgios leading by 2 sets. Good. Okay, so we've got how to spy on your competitors' Facebook ads. So I messed up the Google ads. Let's see if I can make this one work instead. So we've got Valentine's coming up. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to find out what Facebook ads people are doing, so that you can get ideas from them, and also so that you can kind of, I'm not going to say copy, but let's say copy them into other markets because you know they're working. Okay, so let's take, so Valentine's Day gifts for her. Okay, that's what we're going to use. Let's just go for that. Hit on search. Now, it is a very, very good assumption to make that people who are running PPC on those search terms are also going to be doing other marketing as well. It's a reasonable assumption to make, okay? So what you then do is come here, which is the Facebook ads library. Just Google that to get to this page, or I'm just going to give you the link. Doink, doink, doink. But just Google it. If you're watching the recording, just Google it. Send, oops, that was stupid, Asher, to all. All right, and then you want to make sure that you've got search all highlighted. And then Art Pix 3D. Like that. So the brand name, Art Pix 3D. That's got 180,000 likes and 98,000 followers on Instagram. Okay, so they're doing a lot of social media. Holy shit. So let's just check out what they're doing. Now, that looks bad. However, he says, hopefully, the filter is set to Portugal. So now it's only showing me ads that show in Portugal, all right, because that's where I am. However, let's go look at the United States where that brand actually is. All right, so here are their Facebook ads. Very clever ads, actually. Here are their Facebook ads that they are running in America. Okay, so if I was looking to sell a product in Australia and I wanted to get some ideas about how to advertise that product on Facebook, that is what I would do. That is what I would do. The worst thing in the world is starting with kind of like a blank canvas. It's very, very difficult to do that. But if you can kind of get some ideas for things and you can see that they've been running them for a little while, that's a cool thing to do. That's a cool thing to do. So let's just have a quick look what they're running. I wonder if they found, like that's a black dude and a black girl. That's 2 oldies. I wonder if they're doing targeting based on that as well. If they're actually being able to do that. Let's have a look. It won't show us their actual targeting, but here's all their links. Here's their text. Oh no, it's a rotating one. Okay, cool. Then they're not doing that. I was going to say that'd be interesting if they were targeting by skin color. That'd be a very interesting way of doing that. Very smart way of doing that as well. Same as via age as well. Very, very clever to do that. Let's just check out this video. So look at all this. Valentine's Day, free shipping, made in the USA, get yours 50% off, blah, blah, blah. Super, super cool. Where's the Amazon one? So there's available at Amazon. So it's telling you where these are. They're doing a good job. Don't you reckon? That's a good job they're doing, all right? So that works really, really well as a strategy for spying on other people's Facebook ads. The other thing you can do as well, is if we do, for instance, using graph search, Valentine's Day gift. We just use a Facebook graph search. We can see what comes up. And then you can either go check out Marketplace. I don't want to filter by that. I want to change my location to something like Sydney. I don't know. There you go. And let's just alter it out by 500, so I'm going to get most of folks in. Let's see what's coming up for that. And now I can go see what's selling on Facebook stores for this particular thing. Get some ideas from here. Very, very cool. So that's one way of using that, which I like. The other one, he says, is instead of doing it that way, to go Valentine's Day gift. And now I'm going to look for posts. Oh, actually, you can do videos. Let's do videos. Look for videos, and I'm just going to look for ones that have got a lot of views, and that's going to give me some ideas about what to sell as well. Okay, that's also a very simple way of doing that. What have we got for posts? Posts will tell you, if you see a lot of posts that's got a lot of engagement, that gives you some cool ideas as well. Let's just see what's going on. 807,000 people like that. Super, super cool. All right, so that is 3 really easy ways of spying on your competitors, or indeed getting ideas for Facebook ads for your own business. What you've just watched is a live Q&A session that I do every single week with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the largest group of e-commerce entrepreneurs in Australia. We've got combined sales of over $50 million, and we are the best goddamn money-making group of like-minded larrikins, iconoclasts and entrepreneurs this side of Darwin. If you'd like to find out more about us, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and check out the link below, AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.